Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Marine. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm back with another video. Today I will show you guys how I do my everyday makeup. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First I will start with my base, and for base I'm using primer. I just apply primer on my T-zone and my smile line, a little bit on my cheeks. That's all. This is a very simple look, very easy, so I'm not gonna use any kind of foundation today. And for my base I'm using BB cream. This is Pond's BB cream. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. To blend my base I'm using a foundation brush. This gives a very light coverage, perfect for everyday look, and also BB cream has SPF. Now for the under eye I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer, just to brighten up the area a little bit. Now I'm going to set the base with some loose powder. It keeps the base in place all day long. Now moving on to my brows. Usually I don't draw my brows or do anything to it, just leave it like this, but I am gonna brush it. For eyes I just take a bronzer palette and like this. It has bronzer, blush, highlighters, contour, everything. So from this palette I use bronzer shade, and I'm just gonna apply it on my crease line. I'm just gonna take a blending brush and blend this out. After this I add some highlighter just on my eyelid. Now for eyeliner I'm using Huda Beauty eyeliner. The name has faded out as I'm using this very regularly. The eyeliner is done, and now it's time for mascara. I'm using the Bob mascara. I'm using a white liner on my under eyes. Now I'm applying some blush. The blush is done. Now I'm going to contour my nose. In everyday makeup look, I use very little amount of highlighter, just on the tip of my nose, a little bit on my chin, and on my cheekbone. For lips I'm using a lip balm. This is Nivea lip balm. It's my favorite lip balm. It gives a very glossy finish, and also it makes the lips very soft. On top of this I'm using this shade of liquid lipstick. For eyelashes I'm using MAC, and this is in number F17. So everyone, this is the final look. Hope you guys like it. It's very simple and easy, also perfect for everyday outing. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.